Kicking Shark Mates, Dino Vixen, Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Kicking it at Wrapsesh. This week we are showcasing one of our most favorite wrap adventures that we do annually.
Oh yeah.
You guys know it is Wrapscon 2021, which
Wrapscon.
this year it was held in Indianapolis. Too many syllables. Indianapolis, Indiana.
Yeah. That's the one. That's the farthest we've ever been.
Yeah, that's the farthest I've ever traveled. But normally it's out in Long Beach, California. And because of all the pandemic stuff, I think it got moved back to the original place of Indiana. So it was our first time going out that far where it was that green.
So green.
So green.
There was no dirt.
No dirt.
There's all we're used to is dirt.
All there was over there was
There's no
grass.
dirt.
It was so nice. We also had the honor of traveling with our friends over at We Print Wraps.
Yeah, we've traveled VIP style in a small plane.
Oh my gosh. We went in like a twin prop plane.
There's a twin engine Cessna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was my first time in a small plane like that.
I've been in one before. My dad was a pilot, but it's been a long time, and that was her first time, so it was a really cool experience. And like, we flew like, 10,000 feet or something, so we could see the whole landscape as we traveled. And it was funny because as soon as we passed Texas, it just turned green and it was flat the rest of the way.
Yeah, it was like
crazy.
mountains and sand to
Just green and flat.
It was crazy. So we did our demos with Muto America, super fun. We did some live wrap demos. It was a NASCAR design, so that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
And yeah, check it out. We hope you guys enjoy. you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our wrap adventure to the Graphics Pro
Adventure.
Wrapscon 2021 indie trip. We love you guys to the moon and back. If you want to be a part of the trade show fam, make sure to check out the Graphics Pro website to see all their upcoming MBM show events. And if you want to keep up with our daily fun, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Vinyl Vixen Wraps and Wrapsesh AZ. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe.
The vibe.
We'll see you next week.
Next week. Did you know the movie
You're supposed
Twister
to dance off.
was made in Indiana?
No?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's my favorite movie.
Okay, bye.